To get to your field day events, you're going to click on classwork. Then you are going to come down into field week activities, Friday 6-5, and you're going to click on the Google Slides. Once the Google Slides opens, you will see it says, click present to begin. So I am going to move my mouse and cursor above present and click on it. Once this opens, you are going to use the right arrow on your keyboard to click through the slides. You are going to use the right arrow right now to click once, and then you will get to the next slide. If I click it again, it will take me to the field day events slide. Here, anything you see can be clicked on. So if I click on this image, it will take me to one of the field day events. To get back to the field day events, I will click on this stoplight. To unlock the Google form and get credit, and to make sure you get a certificate for today, you are going to click down here on the bottom left. Click on the picture, and it will open up a Google form in the next window. Here, you're going to check off all the activities you participated in. Then on the bottom, you will answer 2 questions. So, remember, if I click anywhere, any picture I click on will take me to one of the events. When I'm finished participating in the event, I will click the stoplight to go back. If you want to upload a video or a picture of you and your family participating, you can click here and it will take you to a new page to upload a video. Don't forget to unlock the Google form so I can send you your certificate. Please let Ms. Kristen know if you have any questions.